There is Project Purple.
So that's why because we haven't announced it yet. Another cool thing. So this project's coming together a lot faster than any of us anticipated, quite honestly. Our crew here is incredible. They started this work while also starting work on Shoreline Pier, but right now our sole focus is getting Shoreline Pier open. But I do imagine that you'll see more work happening. The large crane is set to arrive sometime in June or July, and that's when you'll see a lot more work being done here. We need a very large crane. Been some leaks online. Oh well. So you can look at that. Great track. If you guys want to move forward a little, I'll talk more about Shoreline Pier once we get under this, but I'm going to let you come under. You can't touch it. Do not hang on it. Don't hang, Mike Brandt. Touch it. Feel free to take some photos. I'll give you a couple minutes with the track. Don't get too excited, awesome. Charlie.
That is so cool. Just, you really have to think about all the amazing work they do just to get the ride going. Like, it's just amazing, and it's a blessing to see legit up close. Just look at this, wow. I am just in love with this, like, to be on a construction site. It's just amazing to be a part of something like this. Like, this is big history with Project Purple. Just look at that upside down time on there. You're gonna be upside down going up the tower on that. That's gonna be like way more intense than Flash. And we thought that was intense. This is just amazing.
We're now making our way to Shoreline Pier.
Nice.
Where's Kyle? What'd you guys do to him? There's Kyle. Wrangle him, Kyle. It's a rodeo.
So there's one of the additions, Barrels of Fun for Shoreline Pier. That is one of the rides that is already done. And it looks great. Look at that, actively working.
All right.
Barrels of Fun from Six Flags America.
Roller coaster to your right, my left. That is Barrels of Fun. And I was just informed recently that the barrels will not, in fact, be a nice shade of brown, as I put in the press release. Instead, they will be colorful. So, you guys are learning with me.
Nice.
Actually be a shade of red, yellow, green, and possibly blue. So that's fun. They are rebuilding those trains right now. Done an incredible job on it thus far. And we're hoping to have that running within a few weeks, believe it or not.
That went up fast.
Everything else that you see here, I will describe what they are. So, right here, that is the former swashbuckler known as the Super Roundup. A lot of folks over there today. That's probably good news, I think. Usually when Hypno Twister is from Six Flags America. That is the orange and blue apparatus known as a nebulous. Then if you look to your far side, some of you might be behind the fence. Tuck a little bit, you'll see the flying scooters with light blue at the top, dark blue, pink, and then gray vehicles. And this weird black-looking apparatus, which it looks like it's from Stranger Things. I promise it wasn't put here by a Demogorgon. That is a wave swinger, and it is currently under construction, which is good news. The two here on the left, the scooters and the wave swinger, are from Six Flags America. You guessed it. Great job. So we've got trivia at the end. They're doing stamped concrete throughout the area. If you guys see, that's what it's for. The other things are lamp posts. Don't know if you guys knew that. Just filling you in. And there will be entertainment in this area as well. A lot of it will be part of Boardwalk Nights. We are also working on retail. So if you look at that fine building there that says Tyvek, I swear we don't sell Tyveks there. That actually will be a retail location as part of the Boardwalk and Shoreline Pier. There will also be food and beverage offerings be on the left as you're walking through the boardwalk. So there's a lot of action, a lot of activity in here. As I mentioned, we do expect live entertainment. And then Project Purple to open in 2027. Right now, the goal is when the rides are ready, maybe even as soon as next weekend, I believe, is Memorial Day weekend, yeah? 3 of the rides could potentially be running. So there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. Testing, inspections, all those wonderful things, commissioning, and then the rides will be up and running. So as soon as the rides are ready, we're going to soft open them and then hopefully launch the whole immersive environment in mid-June. So that's kind of the behind the scenes of the marketing world and how you open things and how they open together. Rails of Fun is likely not ready until about June 9th. So that's kind of the date we're targeting for everything. So if you had questions on why late spring, well, when does summer start? June 21st. Okay, great. See, so that's late spring. So a lot of people were kind of getting me on that on Memorial Day, but spring doesn't actually end until June 21st. All right, great. So take photos, that's encouraged. Take videos, that's encouraged. Unless I'm doing something dumb, don't record it. Thank you so much.
I just love that I get to see history behind the scenes. You know, I have to say, this is seriously like a dream come true. Again, a massive thank you to Six Flags for having not only me, but one of my best friends with me to do this too, helping me film footage. There he goes behind me. This is like a dream come true as a content creator, being invited to a media event for a place I grew up at my entire life, dating back to 1995, becoming a great adventure. So this is really, truly a blessing. And this is possibly the best day of the year so far for me. This is just simply amazing. I love it so much. And as you see, that part of Project Purple, where my finger is, you're good to go launch upside down, and then right about there is where the tower is going to rise, and then come right back down. Now, I don't know what the concept of the tower is actually going to look like, but I've been hearing like rumors and stuff saying that it's going to be like a tower type of ride, and then you're going to go into that inversion upside down into the tower, go up, and then come right back down. That's going to be nuts.
Yeah, so what's really weird, so